When the safety sensors on your garage door malfunction, become dirty, or misalign, it can prevent your door from closing properly, posing a risk to safety and security. This common problem doesn't have to be a major headache for residents in the Shellharbour area. If you're facing issues with your garage door sensors, call 0409774111 now. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to clean, align, or replace your malfunctioning sensors, ensuring your garage door operates safely and efficiently. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. Get in touch today for reliable repair services.